Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a what I eat in a day video for you guys. If you guys haven't checked out my recent video, I did do a weight loss update for you guys, and I shared that I recently lost 10 pounds. I'm super excited to be kickstarting my weight loss journey once again. You know, it's been a long time coming. I've been constantly telling you guys that I need to get back on track, and I'm finally back on there, and I'm really excited to take you guys along with me throughout this journey. So just a quick overview on how I've been eating. So currently I'm on a low carb, low sugar diet, and I'm sticking to around 14 to 1500 calories a day, and this has really helped me lose weight. And also in terms of my activity levels, I've been trying to work out 2 to 3 times a week, and I go on daily walks. So that is just kind of what I've been doing for my journey and for my success. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be showing you guys all the meals that I eat. I'll show you guys really quick and easy, simple recipes that I have been loving for every day that is simple yet nutritious and delicious. So I really hope you guys enjoy. So I'll typically spend my morning sipping on my beautiful iced coffee, and I usually don't eat until around noon. So we'll be back in a few hours, you guys, and I'll show you what I'm having for lunch. Alright, you guys, so I've just been sipping on my coffee for the past few hours. It is now, what time is it? 11:40, so it's almost noon. That's typically when I have my first meal of the day. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy for lunch. I'm just gonna do a simple egg salad sandwich. So I have my pot here with my eggs, and I'm gonna go ahead and boil these up. I have about 5 eggs. I'm gonna have about 2.5. I'm also making some lunch for my husband, which is why I have so many eggs. For my low carb bread, you guys already know I love the carbonate bread. I've shared this in the past on my channel. This is such a delicious low carb bread, and it's also pretty low calorie. I'm just gonna open up the packaging just so I can see. So the macros is 2 slices is 170 calories. And in terms of carbs, it's only 4 carbs. So 2 net carbs per slice, which is amazing. This bread tastes really good, you guys. I usually get mine from Costco. That's the best deal. You can also get these at your local grocery store in like the frozen section where there's like gluten-free bread. Usually you'll find this there too. They do have a gluten-free option, but I don't get that one. I like the keto version. I know some people who have tried the gluten-free, and I don't think they liked it. So I haven't tried it myself personally, so I can't tell you if it's good or not, but I can definitely vouch for their keto bread. It's delicious, and I like to get the sprouted one, or sorry, the seeded one. It's so good. They do have like an original one. It's a blue packaging. I've tried that one, but I always get the purple one. I just think it tastes so good. All right, so the eggs are mashed up. I'm gonna go in with maybe 2.5 tablespoons of mayo, and I'm just gonna give this a nice mix. I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of salt and then stir that up, and it's basically done. All right, so I have my keto bread nice and toasted. I do wanna just mention, if you hear any noise in the background, it's my ice machine, so I do apologize. It's quite loud. So I like to really toast my bread. I just love a crunchy bite every time. So next what I'm gonna do is just top some of the egg mixture on top, and I like to have like an open face sandwich. I feel like it just adds volume to my plate once again, and I feel like I'm eating more. So I like to have it on 2 separate slices instead of like a sandwich. I like to then sprinkle on some of the onion that I chopped up. I love onion, you guys, I'm obsessed. If I wasn't making it for my husband, I would have just thrown these into my mixture, but he does not like onions, especially raw ones. So I like to just cut it up on the side for myself. And then I like to go ahead and add a bunch of onion on top. Lastly, I love to add some sort of hot sauce. Again, my husband is not into spice, so I don't add this into our mixture. If I'm making it just for myself, I would. But since I couldn't add it into my mixture, I'll just add a little bit right on top, just like that. And it adds just a nice kick to the meal. And here is lunch, you guys. Look at how delicious this egg sandwich looks, and obviously I've got some cucumbers on the side. So as you guys can see, the key here is for you to make sure you have volume on your plate. That's why I like to have an open sandwich, and then obviously a nice filler that's low calorie, which is cucumbers. So this is key, you guys. If you're a visual eater like me, you definitely want to make sure you fill up your plate so you are satisfied. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this up. I'm so excited. I'm also going to be having a Coke Zero with my lunch. I love Coke Zero, you guys. Definitely go for 0-calorie sodas if you're someone who loves soda. You don't want to be drinking your calories, or you don't want to be drinking all that sugar. So definitely stick to 0 sugar. It's so good, you guys. All right, guys, so I do want to go ahead and prep for dinner. I'm going to be marinating some chicken. So I have 3 chicken breasts, and I'm just going to quickly cube them up. All right, so to marinate, I'm gonna go in with some yogurt first. I have some Kirkland Greek yogurt. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon, or maybe I'll do about 2 tablespoons. Next, I'm gonna go in with some ginger garlic paste. I think I'm gonna do about 2 teaspoons of that. I don't really have like exact measurements. I kind of just eyeball it and do whatever I'm feeling for the day. So I apologize if it's not really clear. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of salt, maybe half a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna go in with some tandoori masala. This is just like a tandoori mixture. I'll show you guys in just a second what the packaging looks like. And I'm gonna give this a nice mix. I almost forgot, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of oil. I kind of want to sprinkle just a little bit more seasoning, and I think that's the perfect amount. So that's basically it for my tandoori chicken marinade. I'm just gonna leave this in the fridge for a few hours, and I'll air fry it before dinner. So here is the tandoori masala that I used. It's a really great spice mixture, you guys. All you have to do is mix in some oil and some yogurt and some fresh coriander. But I like to just go in with some yogurt like how I showed you guys. I like to add just a little bit more salt because I feel like I need it. And then I like to also add garlic and ginger paste because it just adds amazing flavor to your food. So that's just the extra stuff I like to do. So it's been a few hours since I had lunch, and I usually like to have like an afternoon tea and also just like a little bit of a snack. So I have some black tea here. I have 2 tea bags because I like my tea very strong, and I'll just go in with just a little bit of milk and sweetener. I like to just use any stevia that I find at the grocery store. I go in with 2. I'll give that a nice stir. In terms of my side snack, I love to go in with some peanuts. I don't really measure it, like I just take a handful. I think there's some pistachios in here that I put back one time, so just ignore that. And I also love to have these toasted corn, and I just take basically the same amount and then give that a nice mix. Here is my afternoon snack. It's basically a nice cup of tea and some nuts and some corn nuts. I know corn nuts run a little bit higher in carbs, but honestly I think a little bit won't kill me. I'm not trying to be too restrictive. I'm just trying to be mindful of what I eat, and these corn nuts make me happy and they're delicious and they keep me full, so I'm not gonna stop eating them. They're great, and if they work within my macros, then it's great. So I love having that. And shout out to my sister for this beautiful cup. I am a sucker for coffee cups and coffee mugs, you guys. So this chicken is really good on the grill as well. Like, you can put them on shish kebab sticks and you can grill them, but this is just really easy when you want something quick and you don't want to have to think about your dinner. Just throw it in the air fryer and you could be doing something else. So that's what I like doing. The nice thing about this is it's also great for meal prep. You can just cook up all this chicken and then you've got chicken for a few days in the fridge ready to go. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer and I'm gonna show you guys what I like to have with my chicken. So with my chicken, I love to have some sort of a veggie side, whether that's a fresh salad with like cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, or some sort of vegetable like broccoli or green beans. So currently I've been going through a green bean obsession, and it's just a frozen pack from the grocery, and it's super easy to cook up. You just boil it, and I just afterwards strain the water and just season with a little bit of salt. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I've got my green beans in water. I'm just gonna boil this for about 5 to 8 minutes, and that's it. All right, you guys, so I'm ready to plate up my dinner. So I'm just gonna take my green beans and I've seasoned them with just a little bit of salt. And honestly, that's all I do, and it's so delicious. I'm gonna take some tandoori chicken. This smells so good, you guys. I'm so excited to eat. I have some of this garlic sauce from Adonis. I love having garlic sauce, you guys. So I'm gonna have like a dollop of this just on the side, or maybe more than just a dollop. Some fell over here. Just move that over. And there you have it, you guys. Here is my delicious low carb dinner. Look how good this looks. Look how delicious this meal looks, you guys. I absolutely love how quick and easy this tandoori chicken is, and I've just been loving green beans lately. This is such a filling and delicious dinner. I'm obsessed. Alright, you guys, I'm ending my night off with one of these Fairlife protein shakes. I absolutely love these. They taste just like chocolate milk, and they're just such a nice sweet treat for the end of the night. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and that's pretty much it. I get mine from Costco, you guys. You can get a really big pack for a good price. So if you're interested, make sure you guys check out Costco. These are so good and such a great way to get in protein, and it's such a delicious treat. Alright, you guys, so that is pretty much it for my what I eat in a day video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to put a quick disclaimer out there that you guys should not be following exactly how I'm eating or what I'm doing, because everybody is different. I'm just sharing with you guys what works for my body. I definitely recommend that you use some sort of a calculator online to determine your specific macros and calories that you should be consuming for success for your weight loss based on your body type, your height, weight, activity level. All those things are factors to consider when deciding how to eat and what to eat. I'll definitely leave a bunch of resources down below in the description box that you guys can use to help you out, to help you figure out what you need to be doing for your success. I've used these resources myself, and that's what's been helping me get through my journey. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys end up trying any of my recipes or any of the foods that I share with you guys. And if you guys have any suggestions on foods that you think I should try out, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to try. If you guys want to follow along on my weight loss journey, then make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.